Well, the Ventrac was so impressive, we bought a second Ventrac, and we've had Ventracs now well over 10 years. The Shenandoah Valley Regional Airport is located in the heart of the Shenandoah Valley in Virginia.
The FAA requires us to keep a minimum clearing on both sides of our fence of 10 foot. With that being said, we cannot have thistles, bushes, trees growing up on either sides of our fence.
And currently we're held at 6 to 12 inches in grass height on the infields and around the taxiways and runways, and also out in the fields adjacent to the airport to maintain those regulations. Some of the challenges we run into if it's a rainy season, you're mowing a lot. We approximately have 500 acres that we're maintaining. A good 350 is probably being mowed, and on a rainy season, it's a constant battle.
The Ventrac with the Tough Cut mower allows us to hold ourselves to a higher standard when it comes to grass cutting in tough areas, and makes a good, even cut to make it look like a pristine area that's been mowed.
When we're out cutting heavy grasses and everything, it's out in front of us so we can see where we're going. And then having the four-wheel drive and the articulating abilities, it allows you to trim very close.
There are other manufacturers that manufacture tough cut mowers or bush hogs, small bush hogs, but none of them have the features that the Ventrac has with the dual wheel configuration and the heavy dutiness of the mowing deck and the mowing blades and belts. And that allows us to get up on steep banks and steep slopes and in muddy terrains, and we can go through things safely where other equipment would probably tip or slide down the bank.
Being a small airport with limited funds, it's very important to have equipment that's multi-purpose. And the Ventrac really falls into that category very nicely. We're able to do snow removal operations, and we can do mowing operations depending on the seasons. We do a lot of work with our Ventracs. We're running them every day, and the quality is extremely well built, and it would probably last forever. We're very happy with what they do and how they operate. I would highly recommend it to any small airport if you need something that's multi-purposed. The Ventrac is the way you need to go.